Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs Preppy Kitchen. Heat a knob of butter in a non-stick pan over low heat, then whisk eggs with a splash of cream and a pinch of salt. Pour eggs into the pan and stir slowly with a silicone spatula, scraping the bottom continuously. Remove from heat slightly early and let residual warmth finish the texture for luxurious, soft curds and a refined plate. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the flow calm and elegant. Crack eggs into a bowl, add cream, salt, and a tiny pinch of white pepper, then whisk until slightly frothy. Warm the pan with butter so it melts and foams but does not brown. Having garnishes ready lets you finish and plate quickly for a polished, preppy breakfast presentation everyone will admire. Low and slow is the mantra for refined scrambled eggs, so use a low flame and patience. Keep the spatula moving in gentle figures of 8 to break up curds and maintain creaminess. If the eggs look slightly undercooked, pull the pan off the heat and stir. Residual warmth will carry them to perfect doneness. Serve immediately on warm plates and finish with a delicate sprinkle of flaky salt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.